Hi everyone, welcome to the session where we'll discuss about the solution for interview questions that I've asked from 28th September to the 3rd October. So let's start. The very first question that I asked was what is the correct correlation value? We know the range for the correlation coefficient lies between -1 to +1. If that is the range, then option A and option B will not fall in that range and we'll be left with option C and D. So option C is the correct answer and 93% has given the correct answer. Now in this case, okay, from sklearn these are the fill in the blanks and we need to find out what is the option, like what will be the sequence of the value. For this I will simply show this. So for this what I will do, I will create the same scenario. What I will do, I will import the iris data set and then I will also create this train test split and I'll get x2 and x6 because this is required here. Now the very first thing, from sklearn.linear underscore model import logistic regression. After this we need to create the object of logistic regression. There has to be a bracket open and the close bracket. After this, in case of predict, see in this line we are fitting our model and after that we need to do the predict. So I am doing the predict here. Okay. After this I'll run this because I did not run this code. Okay, and then in the final line it will be score. So my score is 97%. Okay, now if we compare this, the very first value here will be linear model. So linear model, okay, then followed by logistic regression with braces. So this is my correct answer, and followed by predict and score. Okay, followed by predict. So 83% has given the correct answer. Followed by predict prova is a method of which of the algorithm. The correct answer is logistic regression. If because when we have created here, the correct answer is logistic regression. We have the model for logistic regression. Okay, so what we'll do, log underscore reg dot predict proba. Okay, so this is the method of logistic regression. So here also like 87% of them have given the correct answer. Now after this, from sklearn dot blank import classification report, the correct answer is matrix, but this sklearn it will be in small s. It will be like this. This is how we'll get our classification report. Okay, so the correct answer is option A. Then here in this, in order to run the code plt.scatter, like which of the below code should, yes, in order to run that, this is an object of the matplotlib. Okay, plt, so we have to import matplotlib.pyplot, py not pie, okay, dot pyplot as plt. So it will be like this, import. Okay, so this is the thing, and when if you say plt dot ter, you say 2 comma 3, your some scatter plot will be formed. Okay, after this I have asked this. This is a quite tricky question. Suppose we have a data set with 2 columns and after applying the imputer data set df is transformed. Now if the missing values is 0 in this both the column, the missing values is 0. Okay, this is my missing value. Now if you see what is the imputer strategy that we have applied on both the column. Yes, so if you see the very first column, the mean of the very first column is what is 3.5, and in the transform column we have replaced the value 0, which is the missing values, by 3.5. okay, so the answer will be mean. And for the next in this column, if you take 4, 6 and 7, okay, 4, 7 and 6, we have to sort it and then it will become 4, 6, 7 or the middle. So the median of this column 2 is 6. So here the 0 is being replaced by 6. And how did we achieve this in Python? So this is my data set. This is my data set, right? After that what I'm doing, I'm importing a simple importer from sklearn.impute, and also this is my object of the simple imputer when I'm replacing the missing value 0 with mean, followed by the median imputer where I'm replacing the missing value with median, or the 0 with median for that specific column. We'll create the object of these 2 columns and then we will apply the simple imputer. Now if you see the value of df is changed, right? 2, 5, 3.5, 3.5, 4, 6, 6, 7, and this is the way. I will include the link where you can see how I created a session on simple imputer. Then the next question is the range for area under curve while analyzing the rock curve or the receiving operator characteristic curve 0 to 1. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, the next question which I have asked is, I have a list x which has the value 3, 5, 8, 10, and then x cube is nothing but I to the power of 3 for I in x, and then what will be the output of list of zip x into x comma x cube? The correct answer is option B, 327, 5125, 8512 and 10 1000. How this will be executed? We have our list x and x cube. we'll see what is x, and x underscore x cube is this. Now what we need to find, we need to find the list of z x comma x cube. We'll execute this, and this is our value 327 5 125 a 5 8 512 and 10,000 10 comma 1000 cube of 10. So the option B is the correct answer. Now the last question of is, we have a data set, and in this data set what I am doing, I am trying to do some filter. Okay, so how do we achieve the value here? Which is the correct filter? So the correct answer is df.coke, which is greater than 20. How this is, I'll show you how to implement this. So this is our data set, df is formed. Now we need to filter df.coke greater than 20. Okay, if we take the first option, df.coke greater than 10, then what will happen? It will show all the values. Like it will only filter the values for 10. Rest everything, 5 values will be displayed. Now if we take the second option, less than 50, in that case also everything will be displayed, because there is no values here is 50. Now if we take the third option, greater than 10, in that case we will have all the values which is greater than 10. If we take the values df.coke less than 20, so in this case I have taken the value greater than 20. Okay, so in this case this is our expectation. Which option will I select? Then I'll get this value 23, 33, 37, 34 and 45, 40, 14. So the option D is the correct. So this is how we have covered around 9 questions in this week, and I'll be coming up with more tricky question in the coming week. Thanks a lot for watching the session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. And also, if possible, please share it with your friend. And I'll see you in my next video, which is related to cross-val score, cross-val predict, cross-validate, and also the stratified KFold shuffle split. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.